Appliance Direct. Straight from the factory. Brand new Whirlpool side-by-sides, $997. With water and ice indoor, $997 for you today. $997. Brand new full factory warranty? Yes. $997 brand new in the box? Yes. Straight from Whirlpool factory? Yes. Porcelain tub washer, brand new full factory warranty? Yes. Brand new in the box? Yes. Straight from Whirlpool factory? Yes. Appliance Direct. If you didn't buy direct,
you paid too much.
Thank you. Appliance Direct has a bigger Altamonte Spring location, corner of 434 and 436 behind the Dunkin' Donut. It's 3 times bigger, corner of 434 and 436 behind the Dunkin' Donut.